I think this duck right here noticed me. I mean, yeah, they really don't do much, but, I mean, they are just ducks. Shouldn't really expect that much. I mean, what can ducks really do? I mean, they fly, they swim, they eat bugs. Yeah, right now they're just cleaning themselves. Looking for food in here. It's not bad, one clan of ducks. That's what they call it, a clan. I really don't know what they call ducks. Wagging their tails. The ones with the bumps on the nose are obviously the males. While the ones with less bumps and smaller bodies are the females. The two males just watch over there. Or track.